Letter 4. CNC comprehensive operation and ability checking. This is our CNC workstation. Our CNC workstations includes the 3D simulation, controller panels, and real operation panel. So students, they can practice on this to accumulate the hands-on experience. For example, they can turn to the ZR mode and do the operations to go back to the reference point. And the rapid mode, they can also switch to the different override. In the workstation, if the students they do the wrong operations, there's alarm systems. They can switch to different views to see the cutting process clearly. There's the chips and the coolant in the software too. And the simulation is simulated according to your NC codes. After machining, students they can check their dimensions by using our measurement function. This is our measurement function. For example, they can measure the thread, so they have to select 2 points, 1 point, 2 points. So they can check the size, the angle is about 60 and the pitch is 2.